this is a matter of inquiry. How water has gone inside. The students were telling that it's a regular affair. So why they were running a class inside? That is a matter of inquiry. This must be acknowledged that if there is a water every time in the basement, they should not have run the class in the basement. Yesterday around 7:10, we got a call that there is a heavy rain in this Karolbagh area in one of the basement. 2 or 3 children are trapped. Two students are trapped. Immediately we reached fire tender. And when we reached there, the water, basement was full of water, and the road level and basement level due to the water was the same. And because of that, there are a lot of difficulty for removing the children. First, we have to pump out the water. The first priority was to pump out the water. But at that time, when we are pumping out the water, because of the water was already on the road, so the same water is going back into the basement. It took a lot of time. Once the water receded on the road, then we started pumping has been started, and within half an hour we reduced the water from level of almost 12 feet to around 8 feet, and then we got one body of girl, and again we second body is removed, and now water you can say rescue operation is over. We have pumped out all the water of the basement. Now basement and clean rescue water is over.
So how many casualties?
3 casualties. I told you the first call we received is said 2 or 3 children are trapped in the basement because of the water. So all 3 have been removed now, and there is no one is left now, and I think head count has been now completed.
So how this all happened? So how the water came?
See, people are telling that there was a heavy rain in that area, and because of the rain, the water gushes inside the basement area, and it's regularly happened. It's not a new thing, but this time I think the water was much more, or maybe the rain was very heavy. Because of that, all the water has gone from the road to inside this basement, and because of this happened. And this water was very, it's a road water, muddy, slippery, and I think initially the children did not took it seriously, and then after that it was too late to come out. That's why these all children have been
I
left.
want to say that who is responsible for this all?
See, this is a matter of inquiry. How water has gone inside, what the management was taking precaution. If water was, that the students were telling it's a regular affair. So why they were running a class inside? That is a matter of inquiry. But this must be acknowledged that if there is a water every time in the basement, they should not have run the class in the basement.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.